In this particular video, I'll be showing you how I reinstated my suspended KDP account from being suspended back to reinstation. This is
emotional, damn it! Oh my!
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, I believe this is something I believe some persons are really finding difficult to do. This is why I think it is better I talk about it in my channel.
It's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
So if it's your first time, please do not forget to please click on the like button and also turn on the bell icon to get all the notifications that will be dropping in this channel from now on. So for instance, I believe some persons are really encountering the same issues, having your Amazon account terminated or probably suspended. This is an issue which I also faced. This is something I also encountered. So I've been navigating you guys what I did in order to reinstate my account back to functionality and what the necessary step I took. So if you really want to learn how I did this, I would advise you watch this video to the end and follow all the procedures and the step-by-step instructions which I'll be talking about in this video. So please do well to stick to the video and see you there. So guys, welcome to the video. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Richard Ojukwu.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. I'm sorry.
If it's your first time coming across our channel, please just get to understand that this channel is actually here to give you the best information and vital informative content to help you grow.
What the fuck?
And scale higher and boost more sales. And if it's your first time, please do not forget to please click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel and also turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever we drop any valuable content, just as the one you're about to watch. So initially, I said this video is about teaching you how I did my own account, my Amazon KDP account, how I reinstated my own account. So this is what I'll be teaching you guys in this particular video. So I'll be advised to watch every detailed information which I'll be sharing across this video to imitate them and also copy the procedures and the process which I took in order to reinstate my account back to functionality. So please watch out and do not forget like, subscribe and share. So guys, welcome to the video. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you how I got my account reinstated after it was suspended by KDP. So this is what I actually did. When I got a mail on the 3rd of October that my account has been suspended, that they need me to write a mail claiming that I am not going to be falling against or violating their rules and regulation, which I understood. And the next thing I did was to actually perfect a perfect template, which I will be sharing with you guys in the end of this video. So guys, all you just need to understand is this account was suspended actually for trademark issues, which I understood, and I understand the reason why it was that. So I just have to go on and write them a mail, which I did, which after writing the mail, I got a message that my account has been reinstated. So guys, this is what I'll be sharing with you guys, that you can just write a perfect mail template to them and showing them the reasons and why you did that. Though mine was because of a trademark issue, which I have to confirm that I will not be doing it again, following their guidelines and their terms and conditions in order to get back my account to functionality. So you can also imitate whatever this template says, so you can also use that to send them a mail for them to reinstate your account. It's just as easy as it is. So as you can see, this is the template. Meanwhile, I'll be sharing with you guys this template. All I need you to do in order to get this template is simply comment on the comment section below Amazon KDP template. I will send you a mail. I'll send you a message that you chat me on WhatsApp to get this template. So after this account was actually suspended, I got a mail.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
A mail the next day that says the account has been restored. So this is how I actually got back my account the next day after it has been suspended. So guys, actually you've seen how I navigated through on the mails and the messages I sent to them for them to
I got you, homie.
let's go. Help me reinstate back my account to functionality. Though this is something that I believe you guys can also imitate. So I want to be giving you guys a privilege to use the same template that I used in getting my account back to functionality. So all I need you guys to do is I'll be giving you guys a free template which I used on my own account.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now you can also imitate and send it to the particular mail that sent you your restriction or your termination mail. So I will be giving you guys this template for free. All I just need you to do is just go to the comment section and comment Amazon KDP template. Once you commented that, I'll definitely chat you up or probably like your comments and send you my contact. So you DM me on WhatsApp, so I send you this template that you can resend to Amazon KDP mail that sent you the termination mail that you can easily tell them to help you revive your account back to normal. So this is what I'll be doing for you. Just comment below. Comment Amazon KDP template. So once you've commented that, I'll definitely send you the template once you've contacted me on WhatsApp. And please, before you do that, do not forget to you must subscribe, because I'll be asking for your proof of subscription. If I will be able to free this template for you. So I will advise you just click to subscribe and also like this video. And once you've liked this video, you can go ahead and comment. And once you've commented, I'll definitely reply you. Once I've replied you, I'll send you the template that you can use and we send to Amazon mail that will help you revive back your account to functionality, just as it did to mine. And if you are really wondering to learn how you can be able to generate more templates, because I believe it is better I give you the main source of how I got this template, I'll be introducing to you this appeal template guide that helped me formulate a whole lot of templates that I use in restoring any of my accounts. I use it in restoring PayPal. I also use it in restoring Amazon KDP.
Serious?
This guide is actually the best guide. I will also advise any person that is using any account, because this guide is going to be giving you a formulated way of writing templates and the process you need to do in order to get any of your account to be reinstated, because this is what is actually discussed in this guide. So when I came across it, I found that it's more valuable, and I also think it's better I share it to my audience so that they can also learn how they can be able to revive any of their limited accounts back to functionality, because this guide is actually going to be giving you the necessary things you need to do. Go ahead and get other templates or other guides for you to use. Probably if your account or TikTok account get banned, you'll be getting a perfect guide on how. This guide is also going to be helping you in navigating on how you can write a perfect mail template that you can send to them to get your account reinstated. This guide is actually the best guide I've seen so far. So
why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
I will advise you to go to my description section below. You can click to get this guide and use it for any of your account reinstatation. So this guide is actually what has helped me in formulating the mail I used in sending it to Amazon to get my account revived or get my account reinstated. So I will advise anyone that really wants to learn how they can be able to restore any account, probably your PayPal account, your Amazon account, your TikTok account. This guide is actually going to be helping you guys. So I believe coming across this guide is more or less like a blessing to me. So I think since I can be able to use this guide to revive back my account, I can also share this guide to every one of you guys to also use it to revive your account. So I'll be dropping the link to this guide in my description section below. All you just need to do is click to get the guide and learn the perfect way of writing a mail that you can be able to send to any of these brands that you have an account with to easily get your account reinstated back. So this is what this guide is going to be doing for you. So please, I will advise you, go to the description section and get the guide. So I believe I've come to the end of this video. So if you really find value in this video, please do not forget to click to like and also subscribe. See you guys in the next video, and